chilies in the bowl before. No, before she eats it though. I mean, when it's still in the iron, it's nice.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear cherries. Happy wow wow to you. Wow 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 wow.
Sit, chilies.
Chilies, it's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Chilies. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ooh. Ooh. Happy birthday. Ooh, happy birthday, lady. Happy birthday, Chilies. Yummy, yummy. Wow. Can I have some? Can I have some? She's gonna get so sick of that. It's a lot. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
What is that? You eat all of the stuff off of it. Yeah, we might have to pull it before she gets all the ground meat.
Happy birthday to Chilies. Happy birthday to Chilies. Happy birthday, dear Chilies. Happy birthday to you. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ooh. Ooh. Wow, Chilies, that's a big cake. You sure you want to eat it all, you know this? All at once? You sure you don't ask for our food later?
Ooh.
You don't want normal food?
That's a big cake, Chili.
Maybe we should
Oh, wow.
Now she eat that, now that she's eating plain meat.
Oh.
No. I think that should be enough for now. Save some for later.
Wow, she really is hungry. She's really doing it. My goodness. Oh my.
She normally eats for about 30 seconds. This is a little bit too much. Maybe we should save the rest. Let's save the rest for later, okay?
That's enough for now, kitty dog.